esteemed guest, and the fellow Toastmaster, good evening to all. Holi is a festival of color, which has been celebrated in India to welcoming the new season. And Holi is the only celebration where you see the people are in the same color. You don't not be able to make any differentiate between the people. So that is a festival, I like it. And I'm going to share the story. One of the Holi was very much important to me in my life, which I'm going to share with you. Live with colors. Everyone will go through a session like youngsters when you are talking about bachelors. When you say bachelors, then everybody will look at you strange. And they'll say, okay, what is it? Bachelors means always there's a problem. The same thing it was in my case also. Nowadays, okay, but earlier in 30 years, 40 years back, when you say bachelors, they will not get accommodation. Nobody will be giving you accommodation for a bachelor's, as if they are going to take something from them. Similarly, we had the same problem in the previous organization. When I was my bachelor, we didn't get accommodation. Finally, we got to their accommodation, and the house owner was newly constructed house, and he was staying in the ground floor, and he has given an opportunity to stay for us to stay in the first floor. Because of our nature of job, we move out from the house early morning before the sun rises, and we come back to the house only after sunset and the moon. So we don't move out, even though we had a long balcony, and we never go and stand in front of this balcony and look at the nature, because the neighboring people will look at us staringly. What is these people are doing here? As if we are going to take something from them. So we don't go there. Even Saturday, there is no off for us. Even Sunday, we work for half a day, and we come back, we wash our clothes and other things, and we take rest and go out. So that was our life. One of the day, I remember it was in summer in February 1990. We were on a Saturday evening, the late night, we were sitting together and playing cards, because we all were bachelors. We were 10 people, bachelors in this. Of course, in that, 2 were forced bachelors. Balance of true bachelor, including me. So we used to play cards in the night time. We were playing cards. All of a sudden, we heard a sound saying that, thief, 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 from the neighboring house. Then we just come out from the room, and whatever clothes we were wearing, we just ran away. We started running from here to there and all, looking at each and every street, what is happening. Then we saw the 2 guys just going inside like this. And we also went behind him silently. We followed him and caught him, caught him, caught him. Then what happened? By the time somebody has telephoned the police, and the night patrolling police guy, he came there, he took both the thieves out and started further interrogation dogs. After this incident, 2 days after that, the sub-inspector of the nearby police station, he came to their colony, and in front of all the people, he greeted us, saying that these people have done a very nice job, and this man was stealing many things, and they would help us in finding this thief. And they given a small citation or certification to us, saying that friends of policemen. From that day onwards, if you see, the entire colony was looking at us, saying that as if we are, and they did a great job. Then during that, in the course of time, then this festival of Holi came. And that Holi was really remembered for this, because it is the memory on us. That day, everyone invited us for playing Holi with them. Okay, each family, they invited us, and they treated us like anything. That Holi was really enjoyable. We really enjoyed it. So there we become heroes, esteemed heroes. Then after that, you should see everybody, every weekend, we used to get certain food from this whatever been prepared in their house, they used to share with us. They used to come and sit with us and talk with us. That entire scenario is changed because of the holy, because of the thing what we did. So that is what. See, the colors, if you are talking about colors, the single color will not have any beautifulness in this. The mixing of colors, that becomes art. The right mixing of the colors, that makes a great artist. Similarly, you see a lot of variations in the people, facial variation in the people. But if you mingle this, then it becomes a beautiful color. If you have the same color, you don't see anything. But when you mingle with each other, then you see the beautifulness, then the life becomes enjoyable. Right? That is why it reflects something similar to the celebration of Holi. Holi also, we do this, we throw colors within the face so that we cannot differentiate the people. I would say that live with colors and live happily. Over to you.